Once upon a time, there was a magic kingdom made of hopes and childhood fantasies. A timeless place where every land was filled with wonder. A place where everyone who entered its gates would be given the gift of the young at heart. The power to wish upon a star and unlock its magic. Are you ready to wish upon a star? Then it's time to open your heart and remember, dreams come true.
Starlight, starlight, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do.
Was born, and in this marvelous kingdom there lived many delightful friends who made our dreams come true. An enchanting place where storybook heroes and daring adventures waited around every corner. We're going to share a wonderful dream come true together. In 1955, an amazing man named Walt Disney dreamt of a magic kingdom.
Fond memories of the past, and here you may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy, inspiration. Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited now leaving for a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. And the flowers grow.
The gods have been angry by all the celebrating.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Is this haunted room